This is the front by the kitchen. Look at my pictures. Look what Yessie made me. It's cute. It's pretty nice, huh? That's the living room. It's pretty gay. It's kind of small. No. Dark. My TV goes there, but it's in the room. My 2 windows. It's dark in here. This is the bathroom. My Hello Kitty wall. Tori did that. Oh. Max. Behind the door closed. Yeah, it's Hello Kitty. Got more to come. This is the room. It's a mess. My Marilyn Monroe. The closet. Mess. My posters. And it's so dark. Can't really see what's going on. Oh, yeah. Good luck. Tori's bed. My bed. Stereo. It's really fucking wet. It's really small. Those are Tori's work boots. Oh, check this out. It's outside my window, far down. It's a good view, huh? That's a little doctor's little pet place. It's a veterinarian. Yep, that's my little house, guys. Tell me what you think.